Tapos ako yung pagtawag po ng galang, as in po pagpadjus mabalo sa Marison family na matawan ng mas takol na kolor ang sa to yung pagsilibrar kang Christmas sa tao kang kadipisilang at sa to yung ekonomiya dahil tamang girayon po malingawan na ang sentro po kung sa to yung selebrasyon niyo kung sa to yung pamilya. Kaya kita mo niya nabanggi sa rong pamilya na nagsisilibrar pangani pong mas maging maugma ang sa tuya pong Kapaskuhan. Basta ang alam ko, lahat tayo dapat masaya ngayong Pasko. Kasi maski single, tuloy ang Pasko.
I want to congratulate the Marison family for another successful year, and I want to take this opportunity also to thank you for always being one of our partners, especially in promoting tourism here in the city of Legazpi. Alam natin na corner na to na Marison, nagiging attraction na talaga to. Hindi lang tuwing Christmas but iba pang season, laging meron something dyan sa corner na yan to promote tourism here in our city, in our province.
Sabi nila ay laging biktima ng bagyo ang Christmas tree ng Marison. Sabi ko na lang, sana wag naman. Sayang at parang ang ganda. With this, I would like to thank the Marison Hotel community for not giving up on setting up their Christmas tree, even with a harsh and not so good experience in the past. It is indeed what it means for us to celebrate Christmas. Christmas is about hope, not just simply hope, but a defiant hope. It is a hope that resists and persists, even in the midst of suffering, death, and even in calamities. It is the light that continues to ignite in the middle of a storm. It is the little star that led the Magi and the shepherds to Bethlehem, to the newly born Jesus, the Emmanuel, the Messiah, and the long-awaited Savior. Kumbaga, walang makakapigil sa Pasko sapagkat buhay ang pag-asa sa bawat isa sa atin. As Christians, it is our dying faith, hope, and charity in God that keeps us moving and joyful.
First of all, I would like to say Merry Christmas sa lahat po. At salamat Marison and to the family of Ma'am Lolet. Thank you so much for bringing the Christmas earlier. Thank you Marison for being a partner of Department of Tourism and hoping and praying na mas lumawi pa po ang ating mga samahan at para po sa ating kagandahan ng Bicolandia. And this is one symbol of hope and joy. This Christmas tree will not only be palamote or Christmas decor here in Legazpi, but this is a symbol that here in Legazpi, here in Albay, buhay po tayo at nagmamahalan tayo. Kaya sana wala pong malamig na Pasko ngayong Pasko. So Merry Christmas everyone. Congratulations Marison. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Love Legazpi, love Albay, love Bicol, love the Philippines. Merry Christmas everyone.
Pila-pilan tayo, Pram. Magpipicture muna kami. Bye, Sheila! Okay, sige. Thank you po! Left side. Kasi this way to pavilion. Hi guys! So yung kakatapos lang ng lighting of Christmas tree. Wow! Wow! Look! Oh! Ate!
O jump kayo, jump dyan. Sige.
Oh! Ayan ang mga bata! Dito na ikaw po! Oh, shoot! Parehas lang po yan na upuan! Ay, naging monster! Ay, naging monster na!
At kain na tayo. Ay, may kukuin para ako.
What's that? Wow!
Baka rin ako nagdila-dila biya.
Cheers! Cheers!
Lang B, cheers.
Wala akong ano.
Uy, malas yan.
Ba ganun?
Charing lang.
Bawal ako malamig eh.
Hi, ate!
Tapos nung kulo, di pwedeng pakuluan ng tequila san.